Today in the Indicator HR and Employment Law podcast, we're discussing the right to take unpaid time off work to perform specific public duties. Employees currently have the right to take unpaid time off to perform specified public duties. Following a review mandated by the Employment Rights Act 2025, the government has recently published a report and consultation which proposes reform of the range of public duties eligible for time off. The report, by the Department for Business and Trade, follows the first comprehensive review of these time off rights in over 50 years. It concludes that the list of eligible public roles needs to be updated to ensure consistency across the devolved nations and to retain the legislation's original purpose of enabling working people to balance their public duties with paid employment. In summary, the consultation proposes the following reforms: that people carrying out the duties that follow should be added to the list of those entitled to reasonable time off. Special constables, governors of academies and academy trusts, members of a conservation board, members of a corporate joint committee, audit committee members of a designated educational institution, members of the governing body of a designated educational institution, fee-paid judges, members of an NHS integration joint board, and lay panel members of the Judicial Appointments Commission. In terms of those to be removed from the list of those eligible for reasonable time off, the government proposes that the following should be removed: board members of the Environment Agency, board members of the Scottish Environment Protection Agency, members of the General Teaching Council for Wales, now known as the Education Workforce Council, board members of national health bodies, and board members of Scottish Water. The consultation closes on 4 September 2026. Look out for further episodes in this series to stay up to date on all things HR and employment law related,